the first topic is veggies. So, as you see, I made a veggie face, and I would like to tell you what I made with them. So, I made sweet garden peas and Italian green beans, yellow peppers, which I used to like yellow peppers. And I also used the combination of mini corn, broccoli, and carrots. And I used the carrots in that. And now I will eat some of my favorite veggies. Awesome. It is important to eat veggies because they're healthy and also very yummy, and also they have fiber, and fiber is good for you. And did you know that 9 out of 10 people don't eat enough veggies in the USA? And that's not good. So I hope they eat more veggies. See you next time on The Veggie Show!